Hello everybody, welcome again to the Tekla structure and steel structure project again. And the last lectures we have drawing the foundation, the base plate, the clear concrete cover and the columns. Now we want to draw and modeling the connection between the foundation and our columns. So to do this, let's go to our software. Here is our columns that we have modeling, and this is the foundation, and this is the clear cover. We want to draw a connection between the columns and this foundation. To do this, we go to our components. Okay, we go to our components catalog. So we go to edit here. Okay, components, application, and components. From this catalog, we have draw the reinforcement automatically. The software from this catalog we have get the reinforcement of the foundation. Also we can go get the connection between the columns and foundation. The number of the connection between columns and the foundation is 1042. So this is the base plate. You can choose it. The software tell us pick part, multiple part with area pick. So we choose here the columns. Now the software need the position of this connection. We go to here and we put the plate here. Okay. So now we can show here that the software put the connection between the foundation and the columns. This is the connection we need. First of all, let's change the view. We put the view and this form by hold on control, then press number 1. Okay, we want to edit the properties of this connection, so we double click on this connection. We close this windows and we go directly to here. We must know that if we didn't know the parameter or the properties of this connection, we left this here, this windows white. We didn't put any number, so the software automatically put the responsible or the best number here automatically. Okay, if we have designed this connection in robot structural software, Autodesk or an ETABS, we need so or manual calculation, we know the number here, parameter here, for example the dimensions of this connection, we put them automatically and we press modify. Now let's this windows empty and the software put automatically the best number. We go directly, we can show here these are the dimension of the connection. These are the picture. Okay, parameter here for the design. We want to if we want to design in Tekla the bearing. Okay, the minimum here, this parameter, but these properties are related to the design. If we need to design this connection and Tekla design, because we have a part of this software Tekla, we can do with this part a design, but here in this course we want to only modeling and export, generate the drawing sheet. Okay, if we go to general, also we can show some properties. Okay, we go directly to here. First of all, if we need anchor roads. Okay, so we need roads instead of bolts. Okay, we need anchor bolts connection. We can also put the properties of this word here, what we need of from this shape. If we need if we put the default. Okay, now we want to choose the type of the connection between the columns and the foundation. Which type of connection? We have many. The most usual, the standard connection between the columns and foundation is this type. Okay, we can change the properties. Let's also this windows. okay, empty, and Tekla automatically put them. Okay, also we can, for the nuts here, for example, we can choose here the properties of it. We can resize any properties what we need. If we press here modify, we can show that the Tekla put automatically the connection between let's put hold and control and press R, and we put the center of rotation here. We can show the connection like this. We Let's remind that if we have designed this connection in ETABS and robot, and we know the dimension of this connection, we put them directly here, and we put the, for example, length of this connection, the dimension C, A, and B, or other direction. Okay, and but here we let the Tekla automatically put them. Okay, so this is how we can draw the connection between the columns and the foundation. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next lecture.